Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to solve exercise 7.1 problems. Okay, so before that exercise 7.1 we will see the new concept compound ratio. So compound ratio, what is compound ratio? We'll see now. Here we have an example. A baker mixes milk and sugar in the ratio of 4:5 for preparing a sweet. The ratio of their units cost is in the ratio 4:3. Then what is the ratio of the amounts spent for milk and sugar? Students, just observe this example. Here, ratio of milk and sugar is 4:5 and the their cost ratio is 4:3. So, if you want to find out the amount here, milk is to sugar 4:5 and cost of milk is to sugar 4:3. So now if we want to find out the total amount, see, we will multiply first terms and the second terms. So 16:15. Okay. So this is the ratio of the cost. ఎందుకు ఇలానే మల్టిప్లై చేసాము? The first one is milk, 4 parts is milk and 4 is the cost of the milk. So we'll multiply the same terms. Okay. So see, if what is the compound ratio of A is to B and C is to D? So just multiply the first terms AC is to BD. Okay. So in other words we can say in A is to B, what is A? Antecedent and what is B? Consequent. So here the product of antecedents is to the product of consequence. Okay. So now you just practice like this. What is the ratio of P is to Q and R is to S? Sorry, compound ratio. So first PR is to QS. Now, what is the compound ratio of S is to T and X is to Y? SX is to TY. Okay, do you get my point? So, same first terms ni multiply chestam and second terms ni multiply chestam. So, compound ratio of A is to B and C is to D is AC is to BD. In other words, we can say the product of antecedents is to product of consequence. Here in page number 4, we have check your progress problem. Fill in the boxes with correct answers. So, one first ratio, second ratio and compound ratio. 3 columns are there. We want to find out the missing terms. See, I told you compound ratio means product of first terms is to product of second terms. సింపుల్గా యాంటిసిడెంట్ కాన్సిక్వెంట్ ఇదంతా మీకు మెమరైజ్ చేయలేకపోయినా గుర్తు లేకపోయినా ఫస్ట్ ఉన్న టర్మ్ని ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, సెకండ్ టర్మ్ని సెకండ్ టర్మ్తో మల్టిప్లై చేసి చక్కగా వాటి మధ్యలో రేషియో కూడా పెట్టేయాలి. ఓకే. సి 1:2 2 దే గేవ్. నౌ 3:5 here 1:2 3:5 15. So here 15. Now this one 6 4s are okay. So 7 into what number gives this 21? 7 3s only na. So here 3. Okay. Now this product of consequence. 6 4s are 24. Now see 9 3s are 27. The first terms 9 3s are 27 and 5 into which number gives 40? 5 8s are 40. So this is 8. Okay. So like this you can do. Exercise 7.1. Pawan and Roshan started a business with rupees 1,50,000 and rupees 2 lakh respectively. That means Pawan business lo money enta invest చేశారు 1,50,000 and Roshan enta invest చేశారు 2 lakhs. After 9 months, Roshan left from the business. అయితే రోషన్ 2 lakhs ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసిన రోషన్ 9 months తర్వాత బిజినెస్ వదిలేశారనమాట. At the end of the year, they got a profit this one. Then find the profits shared by Pawan and Roshan. Okay, so here just by reading the problem, you should able to write these steps. Given Pawan's investment, this, Roshan's investment, this, Pawan's time period in business or Pawan's time also you can write simply 12 months and Roshan's time period 9 months. Now simply take the compound ratio. Okay, so first ratio of investments, this is equals to this, Pawan 12 months and Roshan 9 months. Okay, now compound ratio means product of first terms and product of second terms. So 1,50,000 into 12 is equals to is to 2 lakh into 9,000. Is to is nothing but the division, right? So into 12 by 2 lakh into 9. So now cancel these 4 zeros with these 4 zeros. Now see 5 3s, 5 4s, right? Again 4 3s, 12. Now 3 1s, 3 3s. So again this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So same by same. So compound ratio how much? 1:1. Right. So what is the profit here? They got profit is equals to rupees 45,000. So the profit should be shared in the ratio of this compound ratio. Okay, మనకి వచ్చిన కాంపౌండ్ రేషియోని బేస్ చేసే ప్రాఫిట్ని షేర్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్గా వచ్చింది కాబట్టి దే విల్ గెట్ ఈక్వల్ షేర్, రైట్? సో హౌ మెనీ పార్ట్స్ హియర్? 1 plus 1. So 2 parts is equals to how much? 45,000. Then students, what's the value of 1 part? 45,000 by 2. సింపుల్గా ఈ 5,000ని పక్కన పెట్టేద్దాం. 40,000లో హాఫ్ మీన్స్ ఇట్స్ 20 అండ్ 5లో హాఫ్ 2.5, రైట్? సో యూ విల్ గెట్ 22,500. Okay, and then find the profits shared by Pawan and Roshan. So therefore share of profit by Pawan is equals to rupees 22,500. Similarly, share of profit by Roshan also same, rupees 22,500. Second problem, Salman started a hotel with an amount of rupees 75,000. After 5 months, Deepak joined with an amount of rupees 80,000. At the end of the year, they earned a profit of rupees 73,000. How will they share their profit? Same as first problem. Salman's investment and Deepak's investment, profit at the end of the year, I wrote. Okay, పిల్లలు మీరు ఇదే వర్డింగ్లో రాయాలని ఏమీ లేదు. సల్మాన్స్, okay, Salman investment of Salman. So like that you can write. Okay, next, time period of Salman or time of Salman in business also you can write. 5 months. Time period of Deepak here. Deepak joined with after 5 months. Okay, so total 12 months and after 5 months Deepak joined. So 12 minus 5, 7 months. So now compound ratio of investment and time periods this. So see investments ratio 75,000 is to 80,000. Okay. And time periods. So first, what is the time period of Salman? 5. 5 is to 7. Okay. Now AC is to BD. Okay. Otherwise, if you want, you can write like this also. Compound ratio of A is to B and C is to D is equals to AC is to BD. So that implies 75,000 into first term is to 80,000 into 7. So in is to means it's nothing but division. So cancel these 3 zeros. Now 5 ones, 5 16s. Okay. Sorry, here time period of Salman 12 months only. Deepak entered after 5 months. So it's 12 only. Okay, this is 12. Now 5 16s and 5 15s. Okay, so now 4 4s and 4 3s. So 15 into 3 is to 4 into 7. 15 3s are 45 is to 28. Okay. So now total parts how many? Total parts is equals to 45 plus 28. 45 plus 28. 40 plus 20, 60. 60 plus 8, 68. And 73. So total parts how many? 73. Now what is the share, right? So first Salman's share we'll find out. Salman's share in profit. So what is Salman? How many parts Salman's will get? 45. And total shares 73. And total profit 73,000. 73 once, again 73 1000. So 45 into 1000, 45,000. So Salman's share in profit is 45,000. And Deepak's share in profit is, we can subtract 73 minus this 45 you will get. Or otherwise 28 by 73 into, like this also you can do. Okay, Deepak's share in profit is equals to, how many parts he will get? 28 out of 73 into 73,000. Okay, so cancel 1000. So now 28 into 1000, that is 28,000. So therefore finally Salman's share, how much? 45,000. Next, Deepak's share 28,000. That's it. Third problem. Ramaya took a grass field for rent for grazing his 24 cows. Grazing ante ikkada అవి పశువులు తింటాయి కదా గడ్డి, అది అన్నమాట. After 5 months, Somaya also joined with him for his 40 cows. At the end of the year, they paid a rent of rupees 35,000. What would be the rent paid by each of them? సో ఇక్కడ మనకైతే ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళు పే చేసిన రెంట్ అన్నమాట. సో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ రామయ్యకి 24 కౌస్ ఉన్నాయి, తను గ్రేస్ చేస్తున్నారు అంటే మేపుతున్నారు. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 5 months సోమయ్య కూడా వచ్చి జాయిన్ అయ్యారు, తన కౌస్ 40. సో ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ చదివిన వెంటనే యూ షుడ్ ఏబుల్ టు రైట్ దీస్ స్టెప్స్. పిల్లలు చక్కగా రాసేయచ్చు. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కౌస్ ఆఫ్ రామయ్య 24, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కౌస్ ఆఫ్ సోమయ్య 40. ఓకే, సో Graced by Ramaya also you can write. But simple ga ante ila raseste saripotundi. Now, so what is the rent they paid? Okay, amount of rent is equals to 35,000. Okay, see, after 5 months Somaya joined. Total 12 months, and after 5 means 12 minus 5, 7 months only. Okay, so number of months of Somaya, 7 months. Now take the compound ratio. Compound ratio of number of cows and months. So number of cows ratio 24 is to 40. Direct ga nenu rasestuna, koncham steps taggutayi kada. You can write, no problem. And months 12 is to 7. Now compound ratio, product of first terms 24 into 12 is to product of second terms 40 into 7. So ratio is nothing but division, 40 into 7. Now 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24. Okay, so there is no possibility for cancellation. So 12 3s are 36. So 3 into 12 is to 5 into 7. We got this. 12 3s are 36. 5 7s are 35. So what is the ratio here? 36 is to 35. Okay. So the rent amount also they should share in the ratio of compound ratio. ఈ 35,000 ని కాంపౌండ్ రేషియో లాన ఈ ఉన్న రేషియోలోనే షేర్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో హియర్ టోటల్ పార్ట్స్ హౌ మచ్? టోటల్ పార్ట్స్ 36 ప్లస్ 35. 35 2s అయితే 70 అండ్ ఇంకొకటి ఉండింది 71. రైట్, so total parts 71. Now what would be the rent paid by each of them? So rent paid by first Ramaya. Rent paid by Ramaya is equals to, so Ramaya how many parts here? 36 parts and total parts 71 into what's the amount of rent? 35,000. Okay, so you can cancel now. Sorry, here 35,500 ma. Sorry, this 35,500. Okay, 71 5s are 35 na, right? See, 77 5s are 35. Now 71 5s are 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. 355 coming na. So 71 1s, 75 1 5s and 2 zeros, 500. So 36 into 500. So 35s are 3 5s are 15. So 35s are 15,000. Here already 2 zeros and 3 5s are 35s are 150 and 6 5s are 30. So 6 500s 3,000. 15 plus 3 18,000. So share in the rent by Ramaya 18,000. So rent paid by Somaya means how many parts Somaya? 35 parts and total parts 71. So 35 parts, total 71 into 35,500. So again this 500. So 35 into 500. See, split cheyandi. 35 ni 30 plus 5. 3 5s are 15. So 3500 means you will get 15,000. And 5 5s are 25. So 2500. So it is totally 17,500 rupees. Okay. So rent paid by Somaya 17,500. Next, fourth problem. Ravi started a business with 2,10,000. After a few months, Prakash joined in the business with an amount of rupees 3,60,000. At the end of the year, if they got a profit of this 1,20,000 each, then find after how many months did Prakash join in the business. So Ravi business ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేశారు, ఎంత అమౌంట్తో స్టార్ట్ చేశారు, దిస్. ఓకే. అండ్ కొన్ని నెలలు తర్వాత అంటే రవి ఎన్ని మంత్స్ ఎన్ని నెలలు చేశారు, 12 months కంప్లీట్గా ఒక ఇయర్ చేశారు. ఎట్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇయర్ దే ఆర్ టెలింగ్ నా. సో ఫస్ట్ రైట్ Ravi's investment, Prakash investment, time period of Ravi 12 months, time period of Prakash X months. We don't know, no? We want to find out. Okay. So compound ratio of investment and time period. Just write 2,10,000 is to 3,60,000 and 12 is to X. Compound ratio, first product of first terms, product of second terms. Into 12 is to 3,60,000 into X. So students, ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేవి మీకు ఎక్కువ స్టెప్స్ ఉండి కొంచెం బోర్ అనిపించవచ్చు, బట్ ఇంతకన్నా తక్కువ స్టెప్స్ అయితే రాయలేము. Okay, this is the shortest form I can say. So cancel these 4 zeros. 3 7s are 21, 3 12s are 36. Now these 12 and 12 will get cancelled. So here 7 by X. 7 is to X. Here they gave at the end of the year if they got a profit of rupees 1,20,000 each. That means they are getting equal profit, right? Profit get by each of them is equals to rupees 1,20,000. Okay. So now what is the ratio of profits here? Ratio of profits. Same is to same, right? So 1 is to 1. Okay. So these 4 zeros you can cancel here also, students. So 1 is to 1. Now the compound ratio and this profit ratio must be equal. Profit ne manam compound ratio lo equal cheyali, distribute cheyali kada. So here 7 is to X is equals to 1 is to 1. Proportion, product of extremes, product of means aina tiyochu. Otherwise 7 by X is equals to 1 by 1. Okay. So that means 7 by X is equals to 1. So that implies X is equals to 7. X place lo 7 untene kada 1 avutundi. So what is this X? Time period of Prakash. So therefore time period or time of Prakash in business, time period of Prakash is equals to 7 months. But in the question they are asking after how many months did Prakash join the class? Join in the business. So after how many months he done business for 7 months. So total 12 months నుంచి 7 months subtraction చేసినప్పుడు 5 months వచ్చేస్తుంది. Okay. So therefore after 12 minus 7 is equals to 5 months. Prakash joined the business. Okay. So yes, this is our exercise 7.1. Students, please like this video and share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.